Hi and welcome to video 4 on my video series on graph theory for 12 general maths, and this is from unit 4 topic 2. So here's a graph. I haven't labelled the vertices or anything like that. I want to talk to you about exploring graphs, and it's going to be a bit of a definition based extravaganza that we're about to embark on. So first, if you explore a graph, you might do something like take a walk. It's called taking a walk around a graph. Now, it's a very definitional based video, so I'll probably have to stop a couple of times and just check I've covered everything. But a walk around a graph is where you start at a particular vertex and you walk around along the edges, etc. Explore the graph, okay? Now, a walk will start and finish. Once that walk starts and finishes, it might be either closed or open. And closed means it starts and finishes on the same vertex. There we go, I've written in front of my face, which means you won't be able to see it, and I've misspelt everything. There we go. Open means it starts and finishes on different vertexes, so open is the opposite. Let me draw an arrow there with a little cross. Doesn't do that. Okay, so there's a walk. Now, within this group of walks, you can have two other things called a trail or a path. So I'm going to show you an example of a trail, and then I'll show you an example of a path. So a trail starts at a vertex, you walk around, and in a trail, I might do this, and go up here. Now that's a nice trail, that's worked out quite well. So I've gone along here, up, down, out, up, there. I haven't done it all, it's not a complete walk, I've missed one of the edges, but down here something important's happened, just there. And that is that I haven't repeated an edge, but I have repeated a vertex. I came into that vertex and out. And then I came back to that vertex and back out, without repeating an edge because it has degree 4. So a trail is a situation where you have no repeated edges, but you can repeat vertices. So that's a trail. Path, on the other hand, is a step further than that, a little bit more restrictive. A path is, this wouldn't be a path, but a path can do anything, but it cannot repeat an edge or a vertex. So if I go back along here, I'm back on that edge, it's not a path anymore. But I could go to there to here and finish there. That would be a path, but it would be an open path. So a path, and I've swapped coloured pens now, is no repeated vertices or edges. And that's a path. So you'll see that mentioned, or you might have to define a trail or a path, etc. This is going to be a really definitional based topic. Now let's just have a quick look at something. Okay, so we have walks, trails, paths, closed and open in both cases. Now if you close a walk, that's all good and well. If you close a walk without repeating an edge, that's called a closed trail. And if you close a walk without repeating an edge or a vertex, that's called a cycle. So if you have a closed path, so that's closing a walk without repeating edges or vertex, that's called a cycle. Don't know what I'm doing there. Cycle, there we go. So a cycle is where you walk around inside your graph, maybe the whole graph, maybe the whole lot happens, but inside the graph and cycle from start to finish at the same spot without repeating edges or vertices. And that's it for the definitions in this part. You'll need to be able to use this language, including cycle, path, trail, walk, closed and open, and use it quite fluently. So make sure that you've revised it and you know it well. All the best.